Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple rhinestone covered pacifier with Melty sauce. You'll need adult pacifier, rhinestone, pearls, strong glue, cabochons, and tweezers. First, you're going to take your bling pacifier and get your glue and apply some directly to the surface. This is easier with a nozzle. Then you're going to dip your tweezers into one side and this will help you lift them up. So you're going to place it on and use the other side that doesn't have glue to line it to the exact spot you want. And you're going to keep doing this in whatever pattern you want. Continue the same thing in whatever line, in my case, you're doing, all the way until you're complete. To make the Melty sauce, all you're going to need is to take your pacifier, get a hot glue gun. This is a high temperature, so please be careful, it is hot, and some hot glue sticks, preferably colored. To get the basic Melty design, angle your hot glue gun towards a downward shape, that way it has sort of a melting downwards effect. Please be very careful because if it is really hot, it will leak onto your hand and burn you. If you want to change the direction, you have to move quickly because it will dry quickly. So just try to get it angled downward as much as you can. Next, I'm going to add some cute little clay heart sprinkles. Please use tweezers. I'm crazy. I just kind of YOLO'd it. And that's it. That's how you make a basic pacifier with a cute Melty design. Thank you guys so much for watching.